Hello, today we are going to look at a revenue sharing model. How you can make a revenue sharing model if you are a small business or a home based business, and say you have to put your product in a store, and then they are asking for 25% or 35%, whatever your deal may be. How it This is how it works. So um, if you look at this, so we have this product. Say you are making a table, and these are some of your costs. These still here, it's your product cost, and then you have packing, delivery, and other miscellaneous cost, and then your total cost becomes 2508, and then you want this much profit. So here it's like 20% of this profit, and this is how it is. Now if you go to a store and they say, let me write this store share, and then say business owner or your business's share. Let's say they say we want 25%, and here it's obviously you will get 75%. Now you want to calculate, or you want to do your pricing based on that. If you look at simply this, how much share are you going to get out of this, would be simply, in this case, multiplied by 25%, and here your share would be this. So if the store sells this for 3009, you are going to get 2256 or nearly 57. But if you look at your cost, so this wouldn't cut out, you actually will be losing money. Now what, and also you need to make some profit, because you are in this business for making a profit. So this price doesn't work. So how would you calculate? Now the problem with us is that how are you going to calculate the price where you can make some money, say even if your target is this. So there are different ways of doing it, but we are going to explore a very simple way which will help you uh, significantly. So the easiest way of doing this would be to calculate the price at which you want to sell this. Let's say the price would be that you want this 3009 in your and you want to make 502, but this price doesn't cut out your, so new price would be very simply, you divide this by your share. So it would be 4012. Now if I just simply go here, press F2 and drag this to my new, so that share is still 25% over here, and here if you, okay, no, sorry, this one, you drag this, so here you are again. So if the price is 4012, you can still make this much of the profit which you initially wanted. So your price, this is not the right way to do the pricing. Your price needs to include this, and maybe in some other channel, if you have some other channel where you don't need to talk to the store or share your revenue with them, then you may be able to sell this at this price. But if you change this price, you are going to lose this profit. So this is what you need to understand, because this cost, if you have a way of reducing this cost, then that's okay. Here you can increase your margin, but if you don't have a way of reducing your cost, then the only, and you want this much profit, this is 20% of your total cost. If you want this much profit, then uh, you need to sell it on this new price. I hope you liked this, and if you did, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon.